Hello, I'm Kyle Scanlon, brokerage consultant with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic new listing. This is a 2024 Robalo R180, powered by a Yamaha 150 XC with just 23 hours on the engine and a warranty that's valid through May of 2029. On board, you'll find a live well located between the aft seats, which flip up to create extra room for casting. There's also a cooler beneath the dual helm seats, complete with integrated rod holders. At the helm, you'll find a Simrad GPS, a Clarion stereo head unit, and all your essential controls within easy reach. Up at the bow, you'll enjoy spacious seating with ample storage underneath. Plus, the forward-facing seat has a door that leads to the fully enclosed head. This boat includes a trailer and is not bottom painted. For more details or to learn more about this boat, feel free to reach out to me, Kyle Scanlon, at 440-530-0085 or visit us at MarineMax.com.